Hey guys, so for this look, I'm getting ready for the Lana Del Rey concert, and it was in Denver, and it was for the LA to the Moon tour. And to start off my look, I'm using this Smashbox Photofinish primer, and then I'm using the Makeup Forever foundation, and I use the shade, there's no real color, but it's one of the lighter shades, and it's R210. And then I'm blending that out with my Clarisonic brush. And then to set my eyes, I'm using the MAC Prolongwear Paintpot in the shade Bare Study. And to set my eyes, I'm using the shade White Lies for a Makeup Geek and just putting that all over the lid. This is a way to set the eyeshadow primer and make sure everything sets nicely. And then I'm using a nice kind of gray color, and this is the color Sand Dollar. It's only a little bit darker than White Lies, but I just wanted to set like a gray base. Next shade I'm using is Bedrock, and this is another gray shade as well, and blending that into the crease. Going in with a purpley shade, and this is the shade Unexpected. A lot of these ended up kind of looking very similar, but I do like it to kind of make like a purpley gray kind of toned look. And I'm taking all those shades underneath and blending those underneath the eyes as well. The outer corner, I'm taking that darker blue or darker brown color, and that is the shade Brownie Points. And then I'm taking a brown shade, which is called Cocoa Bear. I wanted to warm up the look a little bit so it wasn't so cool toned. And then I wanted to make a cut crease, so I'm using the Catrice concealer, and this is in the fair shade. And I'm not the best at cut creases, but I find that it's easier if you use a concealer and then apply your glitter over top. And I'm using the Stila Magnificent Metals and just blending that on the eyes. These are nice, but I'm kind of finding that eyeshadow glitter works just as well. And then blending out those colors again on the crease to make them pop some more. And I'm using the NYX eyeliner. It's called the Epic Ink Liner. And I find it very similar to Jessie's Girl or the Stila eyeliner as well. And then under the eyes, I'm taking the Catrice concealer again. And this is a really nice concealer, and I do find it comparable to the Tarte Shape Tape, and I have been interchanging the two. Taking that under the eyes in triangles and down the nose to highlight and also to conceal my darker circles under my eyes. And then blending that out with my Beauty Blender. And then using my Marc Jacobs eyeliner, I got this, I believe, from Sephora Play, and just defining my eyes a little bit more under the eyes and around the eyes to kind of define them and make them larger. And I'm just defining my eyebrows with the MAC eyebrow pencil, and this is in the shade Lingering. I received this in a BoxyCharm, and it's really nice. I love the small tip that it has. And then using the Cover FX drops. This is in a gold shade, and these are nice, but I don't feel like you'd necessarily need them. I think there are cheaper options, but these are fantastic to blend out on the skin. And then to set the whole makeup look, I'm using the old Standby Coty Airspun and doing some old-fashioned baking to make sure my makeup lasts all day and night. So dipping into the Tarte Holiday Blush Palette, I'm using the shades Angelic and Skillful, and these are nice neutral shade blushes that are easy to blend up and to build up. And I'm using the Anastasia Glow Kit And this shade is in Summer, but it's the kind of most light white shade in the Anastasia Glow Kit. And I'm using that on the high cheekbones and down the nose and on the lips. And then also using my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer and blending that out around the edges of my face. And then setting off the whole look with my Cover FX setting spray. And for mascara, using the Marc Jacobs mascara. And this really is a clumpy mascara, but it's great for making your eyes pop. I'm using the Kat Von D lipstick in Ludwig. And the lip liner I will list in the link below. Completes this look. I hope you guys enjoy. Honestly, the Lana Del Rey concert was really fun, but a lot of the songs she played were very sad, but I mean that is her type of music. And she also did mention some drama with Radiohead, that there was some issues with copyright, I believe on the song Get Free, and Radiohead is claiming that she got it from Creep, their song. I believe that came out in 1993. But anyways, it was a really good show. And she also played White Mustang, also a really good song, and Music to Watch Boys To, and Blue Jeans, and video games, and I was just very impressed. I also really liked Jhene Aiko's performance. I thought she did a really fantastic job, and she really got me going, and Blaze going as well. And also with the White Mustang, she mentioned that the song was about a guy, like, saying that the song wasn't even that good. So I was wondering who that was about and what it was about. A lot of, like, the things that she was mentioning were drama stuff, so that was kind of interesting. And then for about 10 minutes during intermission kind of thing, she stepped out into the audience and even signed autographs and everything. So it was a really cool show. It's been a while since I've been to a live performance, so it was really fun. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and a get ready with me, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!